Welcome back, cryptocurrency traders. So I wasn't going to skim today because, as you'll see, there's not much money there. But because they've added like 19 new coins to the platform, and I'm going to put $20 on each one. This little skim will let me buy 2 coins, so it's worth doing, and then I'll put a little bit back into Bitcoin. But as you can see, Bitcoin's down today, and if I look on the computer as well, so I'm doing both at the moment. It's like 59,000, 59,500 Australian, which is, I don't know, was it 30, 35 or whatever for US? Yeah, so it's pretty down at the moment, which in essence isn't a bad thing, you know. Means you can buy in. So CRBT here did 64%. So that's pretty good. Crypterium, don't know what they do. So that's nice. It's a good little jump. Can't hard imagine if I had like a large amount of money on it. It'll happen. It's just time. It's a matter of slowly growing it. So again, I'll just stick to the same system. I'm going to break the system later on, but you'll see why. But yeah, it was over 5%, over $62. So I get $2 out of it. Obviously, there's more money there, but I'm going to take it. Now, I'll kind of watch, when this is sort of happening, you'll see these three, the USDT, USDC, and AUS, they're normally pretty level with what they do. They go up a little bit or go down a little bit. So if I see when Bitcoin's dropping, if I see those are really reduced or going down, that's a good indication that something's moving. Try about 15%, 126 there, so I'll take 3. And yeah, of course I do this fast when I'm not trying to talk about what I'm doing. There's not much to see. This dusk here, that's where I'm going to break my rules. I may as well do it now. Because it was over 5%, like I've been watching it for most of the day, just sort of looking there and now and then. It's been up, it's just pulling back down now, so, but you know, I'm going to take $3 out of that one, even though it's under my 5%. Just because sometimes, don't say 5, I'm putting 5. On days like this where Bitcoin's down and it's pulling down the market, some of these coins have just had a big rise up. So then I'll go, yeah, whatever. As long as it's still pretty close. I mean, it's only just dropped down to 4.5. It was like 4.9, 4.8 before. What was this? That was a 200 one, wasn't it? So it's a 4. I hope that was 200 or I took $1 out. I shouldn't. Again, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's $200. It doesn't really matter if I take a bit more out. In FTM, I don't get anything out of it. So there we are. So that's $46. So nothing really. And then there was nothing. I didn't take 46. I had 32 before. So $12, $14. $12. So here I'm just going to buy in on the bottom coin. Again, I just want to own every coin. I'm not going to do $50 on it. I'm going to do 20 on 2 coins. And then see if it goes up or goes down. Just because they've just been adding a lot of coins lately and I want to grow up the top of the thing rather than just keep buying into new coins all the time. But I do want to own all the coins. That's a big part of my thing, you know, so that I, if they go up or down, I have them. 496. You know, it doesn't matter at this point. See, so if they go under 20, I don't worry about them. If they go above 20, then I'll start buying back into them to build them up. So that's why I thought I'd start doing 20 because then I'm already there at that base level. Now I've got $6 left over. I can move it across to a bank and keep it or whatever. But when it's like this, I'll just buy a little bit of Bitcoin. You know, I buy $6 worth here, I buy $20 worth there, $30 worth here. Do you know what I mean? And I'll just do it like that, over time, I just increase my amount of Bitcoin because I keep buying whenever it's down. So it's down at the moment. So when this happens, I skim, buy back in on a coin that I want to level up, or at this time, get the new coins in the system and see how they play out. and then whatever I've got left over, I just buy into Bitcoin. And then, because rather than pulling out the 60,000 and putting it in there, if it takes me a couple of years or whatever, depending on wherever Bitcoin ends up, to get that up to having 1 Bitcoin, I think that would just be a nice little goal to have. Again, I treat this whole thing like a video game. Yes, it's money. Yes, things happen on it. But really, it's just a video game to me. I'm playing with numbers. I'm playing within my percentages. As you can see there, even though the market's gone down, my account value has gone up. So it's now 14,500. Which is weird, right? Like Bitcoin's been falling and falling, but other coins keep going up, or they'll level out, or they'll have a slow creep up of coins. They'll do 2, 3, 4% for the 4 or 5 days, and then they'll come back by a few percent, down a downturn. But yeah, you never really know. But that's why I sort of play it this way, to see what sort of happens. Yeah, just get all these coins into the system. Yeah, we're moving up. Get all this happening. Oh, look at all of those. See, I just want to own them all. Because if I own them, then I see there's one there that if I owned enough of that would have been a paid one. Yeah, and you'll end up with a whole bunch under 20. So these are all my under 20 coins at the moment. There's a lot of them. That's alright. It's only $20. Who cares? And if they rise up and then move up into the next level, then they rise up, move into the next level. And if they don't, if they keep staying under $20, well, you'll hear people say, "Oh, this coin's going to be amazing," but I can see here if these coins are any good or not. Like if they're not going to rise up enough to move out of a $20 bracket, well then, if I own 20 of them, or it's this one here, Troy, I own 632 of them, and it's worth $8. If it can't move itself up with that many, or like win, look at that, it's 13,000, and that's worth $750. But even if it's a 1-to-1, like Unify, which was a good coin for a long time, they paid out really well for a while. And that's the thing, sometimes these coins, they pay out really well for a long time, and then they just stop. But that's up to them then, whether they rise up or not. But in the meantime, I'll just let them sit there. Because I can sell them all off later on, do you know what I mean? Like, even if they're all $10, then if you have 100 of them, well, you can sell those all off and make a little bit of cash. I probably won't ever do that, I'll just keep hold of them. But I'd like to not have 100 of them. I would like to have the majority of the coins in the system. And who knows, if I get all these other coins up to say like $1,000 each, then you might go back in and just quickly buy all those coins back up and make them all, $100 coins or, $1,000 coins or whatever you can do with them. And just see how they play out, whether they keep, but you don't want to keep putting money into a coin that keeps going down and down and down. You want to buy it when it's down so it can jump back up again, you have more of them. So that's why I kind of let them just sit in the $20 bracket and then just, put more into it later on when it's turned around, or the company's doing something, or they've merged with someone, or got new contracts, or got popular on social media, or some gurus pushed them, or for whatever reason it is, and then if I've got enough of them down in that bottom price range, well, if they jump up and make a lot more money, well, you just skim them all the way and then let them grow into being massive coins. But then again, they may all just fall back down again anyway, so that's the game here. Alright, so that's where I'm going to leave it today. Just sit here and rabbit on for ages. Check out the book on Amazon. I don't know if it's still free. If it is, great. If it's not, I'm probably going to make it free again soon. So, we'll just do it from that. Alright, have some fun. Enjoy yourself. Keep trading and making money.